Music. Is Credit Vero worth it? This review breaks down my experience and its key features. Check the description for easy access links. Credit Vero is a user-friendly platform perfect for managing, repairing, and monitoring your credit. Its data-driven approach uses AI to efficiently dispute credit report errors. It automatically scans reports from Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, flagging inaccuracies like late payments, collections, or outdated accounts impacting your score. Credit Vero's standout feature? Automated disputes. It streamlines the process with customizable letters sent directly to bureaus, even handling follow-up and updates for you. This saves significant time compared to manual services. Plus, Credit Vero is affordable. Unlike pricier options, its budget-friendly subscription offers full access, no hidden fees, no commitments. It empowers users to control their credit repair without emptying their wallets. Credit monitoring tracks your progress and score changes. Educational resources help you understand credit scoring and build better habits. Credit Vero is a solid, cost-effective tool for hands-on credit repair. Its ease of use, automated disputes, and affordability make it a great choice. See if it's right for you, check the description for more info and start your credit repair journey.